Hi guys, so for this week's design I'm using two shades of purple. So as you can see, I've done a lilac on the whole nail. I'm now using this darker purple to do a side swipe. For the detail, we're going to use white and two different size dotting tools. First of all, we're going to create a 5-petal flower in the centre. Then using a smaller dotting tool, we're going to do a row of dots across the side swipe. Lastly, using a little bit of top coat, we're going to apply a rhinestone to the centre of the flower.